You need to watch this if you struggle with unexpected business challenges. Today, we're diving into business continuity planning, or BCP. Ready to smooth out those bumps? BCP is a game plan for when things go south, from natural disasters to key employees calling in sick. BCP has you covered. Standard operating procedures, or SOPs, are step-by-step guides for tasks. Think of them as training wheels for consistency and quality. And flowcharts? They map out your processes, spotlighting bottlenecks. Benefits? Improved quality, simplified training, and minimized impact of absences. Flowcharts boost efficiency and productivity too. Starting a BCP, identify risks, create plans, and involve your team in making SOPs and flowcharts. Investing in BCP may seem daunting, but the payoff is huge. Build a resilient, efficient, and profitable business. Want to dive deeper into creating a BCP? Leave a comment or reach out directly. Let's protect your business and achieve your goals.